Oh my god. 6.8 million, 7.1 million, 10.9 million. So this is the amount of traffic that you can get in. You see the traffic for a men's website is around 1.9 million, 1.6 million. In this video, I will be providing you a full roadmap and a full course on how you can start a fashion blog and what are the earning potentials of a fashion blog. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to talk about how you can create a fashion blog. Now you must be thinking why I am creating a video around fashion blog. It's because I have done some of the research, and as I have said in my previous videos, I will be providing some tutorials around some of the niches where you can start your blogging journey and start making money online. In this video, I will be providing you a full roadmap and a full course on how you can start a fashion blog and what are the earning potentials of a fashion blog. Now, the term fashion blog might sound strange to you all, but yeah, this is one of the niche where very few people talk about and very few people have started working around it. And the potential of earning is unlimited. So without wasting any time, we will jump onto the screen and I'll show you the course outline so that you know what this course will tell you all about. Okay, so in the screen you can see the topics which I will be covering today. So basically first I'll talk about the niche fashion blog, then I'll do some research around what the fashion blog is all about, then I would find some sample websites. Once I find the sample websites, I'll start looking into the topics. What are the topics we can write and how we can start our blog. Then we will write some sample post in this video so that you know how you can write content, and I will be using AI to write, but it will be humanized, and there is a beautiful tool which I use it and I will share it with you all. Once that will be done, I'll go with the hosting and the domain name, and then I will set up the blog with the basic features and will tell you the steps on how you can create your blog. Once the blog will be created, I will share you some of the tips and the tricks by which you can grow your blog. So please do watch the video till the end, as there will be some important updates during the video which you do not want to miss it out. Let's start the first part, which is the most crucial part on what this website will be all about and what fashion blog website would look like. So when I talk about fashion, fashion can be the way we dress our clothes. Fashion can be the way our lifestyle is. So it's not only the clothing fashion, it's also a lifestyle. It's also the way people want to behave around their surroundings. What my analysis today would be around clothing only, as there are a lot of trends that goes around and there is a lot of traffic around how people want to buy clothes, which new trending clothes are coming in the market, and they do like to research around it, and there are very less websites around it, and I'm talking mainly from a US, UK and an international blogging perspective, how this fashion blog industry is growing. And I will share you some of the sample websites. I will do the research with you. I will do some keyword analysis as well along the journey, and I will share you how you can also do it. So if I have to start my research around what fashion blog should contain and what are the topics and what are my sample websites where I can start with the journey. So what I can do is I will just go to Google. Say if you are looking for jeans, normally men's and everyone, women like jeans, so they would search men's jeans or women's jeans. You just hit the search button and you will see the sponsored content, so which is ads, so I'm not bothered about this. Now you may not know all these websites. ASOS, House of Fraser, these are UK based websites, so you don't have to worry about this. These are big websites. Now if I say that you can compete with them, then I won't be honest to you, as it is difficult to beat these, as these are big shops. So how we can start it? So let's think around it and let's go down. Okay, I'll go down. Now these are kind of bigger keywords, okay, like men's jeans regular fit. So I'll just click on men's regular jeans fit. Okay, again you will see the results, but what interestingly I get is people also ask, Now, this is a very crucial section while you start any new blog. So you have to research a bit more, because here you will find the real diamonds, real jewels, which you need to use it as a base to start your blogging journey. So let's click on this arrow button. What does regular fit means in jeans? Now you will see lee.com. Okay. Now what does 32R mean? So it's in Amazon. Okay, I know Amazon is a big site, so I don't want to waste my time looking into it. Now, this is regular fit the same as straight fit? Now, you may be thinking that this is not a question that people might be asking, but they do ask, and you will see that this website is a worldwide website. It is kind of generating all the data where my location is set to Europe, and then it is asking for a notification. Then there is a pop-up coming up, and then it's a very simple website with a store as well. It's a kind of a shop that is being created. Now in this, we are not trying to create a shop. We are creating a blogging website where we'll be using affiliate links and AdSense only. So I will ignore this. Now let's again go back to our Google page, and then you will see some more keywords around it, and some more data around it. Now another question I found is, should skinny guys wear regular fit jeans? So let's see this website. Now if you go with this website, it would look more of a blogging website. If you can, by the look of it, I can understand, and this is not something I have researched it before this video. I'm doing it with you in this recording itself, and it's basically the way the blog is being set up. I can understand, okay, this is not a shop. This is all about guides and details around how a person can buy a jeans. Now you will see a Denim Hunters is a website which is only created for denims. Okay, mainly jeans. Okay, buying guides it has given, in what your jeans. Now see, you can see all the data, what data this website has put in, and a nice front end has been put in. Then they have put in some blocks, and all the details are there. Now how much traffic this website might be getting in, so let's check onto it. Now we need to check the traffic of this website. So there is a extension called SimilarWeb, which you can install it easily. Okay, now let's check the traffic of this website. So okay, I'll click on this SimilarWeb extension, and you will see the traffic is increasing, by the way. And it seems that the core update has helped this website as it is more useful to the people. And see the Feb month traffic, it is 211k. Simple website, no modifications, nothing done. Mostly traffic is from US. You will see 68% US, and mostly the high niche countries from where the traffic is coming in. And you can see there are no ads as well. Okay, so the person is not reliant on AdSense. So how he must be earning the money? He's selling his book, which is Buy Our Book. He has created a book. Okay, and then in the Denim Hunter, you can see that I've clicked on one of the posts. Denim cares to wash your denim or not, how to wash. Okay, learn why to wash. So the web designer has, this is what is a web blog post is all about. And over here they have put in some of the details around it, then some of the related blog post. Very neat and clean website being created around it. Okay, so this is one of the sample website. I'm not telling you have to create this one or this is the right one, as the person might be having some different way of earning money, and you might not be able to go to that level. So what you can do is, it's not the only way, it's not the only thing you have to put in. So let's go and change our keyword. So say let's put on trending jeans for men's or girls. See, it is giving all the words automatically. mostly sponsored post. Don't worry about it. It's not the only way to get the traffic. Okay. Now you can see there is a fashion store, a kind of a website it seems. So let's click on it and let's try to find it out. It is a kind of a shop and everything it has created. It has a shop, it has a login, it has AdSense. So you will see it is more around the blogging sort of a content, where you will see a lot of contents around men's fashion, men's grooming, celebrity, men's style, men's lifestyle. As I mentioned earlier, its fashion is not only about clothes, it's about tattoos as well. Okay, people in US and UK do go with the tattoo style as well. And the traffic, let's see the traffic. Okay, 600k, 600 consistent kind of a traffic, mostly again US. So people do search. The real fashion industry is in US and a UK, where do people do research around what is trending, what should I wear, how should I wear, where can I get this. Now you will see the content is written mainly around clothing, denims, and all those styles kind of a stuff. It's the image. In each blog post you will see a lot of advertisements as well in this, and this is what you might want to create it. So this is kind of a sample website, but again you will see the content and you will see a kind of a image that is very good. Then text wise you will see very less claimants. It has just given the images as well. So image is a criteria in a fashion blog, and please be aware that they have given the photo credits as well. Okay, so they are giving the photo credits. They are putting the names of the person whose photo has been used. If I go back, if I have to go with the tattoos, so tattoos is something which excites people. So you can start a tattoo related website as well. What are the tattoo design? Forearms, star. So you can see must be tattoos, forearms tattoos for men, ideas from traditional to modern. So these are some of the ideas that are being given, and content wise you see a table of content is being created, which is kind of a very basic table of content. No styles, nothing being used. Okay, so it's a simple blog, nothing fancy stuff, nothing you need to learn as a skill. What basic skill you need will be to do a proper research. This is another website. Let's go down again. What type of jeans are trending now? Okay, this is one of the interesting keywords. What jeans should a 40-year-old man wear? Okay, and you will see a website, drewhamel.com. Okay, let's see what this website is all about. And please be aware, these are the words that I'm researching now itself, and I have no clue around these websites how much traffic they were having. So it is kind of fascinating to me as well. See, 40k, it is increasing to 65k. Simple website. Created a shop as well. In the shop, it is more Amazon. So the person has given an Amazon affiliate link directly, which means you go directly to Amazon, but his link will be an affiliate link. Okay, so be aware, through Amazon affiliate as well, you can earn affiliate commission if someone buys a product from it. And if you're not aware how to create your Amazon affiliate account, then do comment on the comment section and I'll create a full tutorial around it. Be aware, this channel will be mostly covering most of the tutorials only, and it's all free of cost. You can learn as much as you want. And I would request, if you like the video till here, then do press the like button, as it motivates me in creating such wonderful content. Now again, in this website you will see sneakers, fashion, accessories, grooming. So these are all the list of niches, sub niches as well. Skincare, you can create a website with a sub niche of a skincare. In a fashion, activewear, accessories, you can create business casual websites, footwear websites. Go with the trends, get the traffic, put the affiliate links. That's it. That is all you need to do. More research, more content, that's done. Another Okay, again researching a bit more which brand is best for men's website. So you see jagran.com. Okay, what are the best jeans for older men? So people in 40s, 50s, 60s do try to research around what is trending, what they can wear. See, FAQ is coming in. Through that, it has come as a post. So in today's tutorial, I will tell you how to create your FAQ as well. There is a plugin which will do it directly for you. This is also an excellent website, it seems, and see, it has AdSense, it has everything, and simple website, nothing fancy stuff. Let's check the traffic. Real men, real style. You see, the name itself is like, okay, you have to, all the men's might be looking for this website. Now it's not that now this is for a men's, so you see the traffic for a men's website is around 1.9 million, 1.6 million for this website. And if you want to go with a woman niche, then the traffic would be much higher, as women do check around trends. So let's change the word from men to women. Okay, and let's see what is coming in. These are the top websites, so don't try to think around the keyword about trending jeans for women. That might not rank. What you need to go with is, people also ask what type of jeans are trending now, who, what, where. Okay, now who, what, where, this is kind of again a blogging website. UK edition, it means that it has US, Australia, all the editions it has. Now see, the ads are loading in, so the content is all basic content. Top number one, puddle jeans, one image credit also given in. It might be through Instagram. See, at the bottom you can see the link from where the image has been given, and they are giving the credit. So all the images you can get it through Instagram as well. You can post it. There is some bit of a work you need to do. Now see the shop now button. So the shop now button at the bottom, you will see it is an affiliate link. Another affiliate link, and see the product price is £270, and if the affiliate is say 10%, then the person will earn £27. Now let's jump on to the traffic. Oh my god, 6.8 million, 7.1 million, 10.9 million. So this is the amount of traffic that you can get in, and the earning potentials we will discuss it later. But yeah, these are the traffics that I can see in all the fashion blogs. Again, going into which jeans are more flattering. Okay, I don't know what does it mean, but yeah, these are the terms that are being researched. What jeans makes your stomach look flat? Now these are some of the keywords that you might not have thought about as well. So we will do a research on how you can find those keywords easily. So let's take a look into the Stitch Fix website as it, and this is one of the last websites I would research here, and then you can do your own research. You see, very simple, very basic, but yeah, it is a well-researched content. You may not get it right away, as it has some of the ways to show. However, the way they have created a blog is very simple. Creating this website will be very simple. Writing those content will be very simple. And you have to just put your brain around it, how you can make sure you are finding out the right keywords. Again, the traffic is similar, 6 million, 5 million, and mostly country-wise, you will see US, UK. Okay, so mostly US. So you can understand how much the traffic is in a fashion blog. And this is what a fashion blog is all about. And if I have to go with the earning potentials, I'll go to my website, deepavaliseotips.com, where I have created some of the tools. So let's go on to the AdSense calculator. So it's only the AdSense income that I'm trying to think around it. So daily page impression. So this website say has a one. I will be taking a realistic picture. Like if you start a blog, after 6 months, I would expect your blog might get 10,000 page views per month. and in 1 year you might get 100,000 page views per month. So in a daily cases, it would be around, say, after 1 year is what I am calculating. So please be aware that this is not from the day one. This is after an year once you start your blog, and I'm estimating you will work hard and you will get 100k page views per month. That is the requirement to check how much you will start earning at that point of time. So if you do 100k page views per month in a day, you would be getting around 3,300 page views. Page CTR means that what is the click-through rate of your ads. Normally it is 5%, and cost per click is like the ad that is coming in. Now you be aware that these are high niche websites in terms of product, so they would give the ads would be quite high, and it also depends on the cookies you have set up. So I would be estimating, say, $4 you might get in, and then you click on calculate earning. You can see with a 5% CTR and a $4 CPC, you will get $660 per day. Page views is 3,300. The traffic is coming in US only. You can understand the potential. Monthly earning is $19,800 and yearly earning is $237k. This is insane. If you work hard, you can go to this level, and I'm giving a 100k page views estimate. Let's try with a more lesser number. If you are saying no, this doesn't look right, so let's say page CTR instead of 5 is, say, 2%. CPC is 4. Let's do again. $264 per day. Monthly earning $7,920. This might be a salary of a 15 or 16-year-old guys, and yearly earning is around 100k. So even though you go with a optimist or very low approach, after 1 year, this is the potential that you might get in. So it's worth experimenting with a fashion blog. This video will provide you the full roadmap. I am here. You can comment to me, and you can ask any relevant questions which are required to start as a blog. Now we have checked the earning potentials. We have found out some of the sample websites. It's very straightforward websites, nothing much fancy. It's more around content that I can see, and it's more around strategizing your content. Now I have searched mainly jeans portfolio. Now it's not necessary that you have to go with the jeans. So what we can do is, these are the top website, who, what, where. As we have seen, the page views are around 10 million. Now, what are the top keywords for this website is what I'll try to find it out. How you can find it out? Free of cost is using a tool called Google Keyword Planner. Okay, so how you can find the right keywords is using Google Keyword Planner. People do talk about SEMrush Ahref. We do use it, but Google Keyword Planner is something I would prefer as a beginner, and it is a very comprehensive tool, and it is a tool from Google. Basically, Google Ads have provided a capability where you can spy on others' website and their keywords. So what you need to do is go to Google, type in Google Keyword Planner, just click on the first link, find your campaign keywords, go to sign in. I already have a Google Ads account, so it will automatically sign in. If you don't have it, then just create it and again search this keyword in the Google dashboard. You will see discover new keywords, get search volume and forecast. So you have to click on discover new keywords, click on it. Our site was who went where, so let's copy it, then get results. Okay, no, it's so it's with the keyword. You need to go with the start with the website, search the website, and then get results. You will see it is searching for 1 year from March 2023 till February 2024. And it has excluded any adult ideas, so yeah, we don't need anything. Now all the keywords, their trends has been extracted by Google And what you can do is just download a CSV file. Once you download the file, it will be in your download folders. Just open it, and then here it is, a full list of keywords which you need to start your blogging journey. I'll give you a high level overview of what it is. So basically what it is saying is that the average monthly volume searches, the column that we might need, whether the data is increasing or decreasing, and year on year change, whether it is increasing or decreasing. So you know which keywords to use in, how to start, and what are the keywords to target. You can filter the data. If you need to, you should have a basic Excel skills. You just need to filter some of the data, and then you can complete your research. If you don't know how to use Excel and how to filter the data, then just comment on it, and I can create a small video on how basic tricks and tips around Excel as well. So go to highest. So women trends is something which is the biggest keyword, as we can understand. See, it's more woman focused, but we have seen a websites which are for men only, and they are having 700-800K of traffic per month. So you can understand the potential of the traffic first of all. And then you have all the kind of keywords. Now I'm not saying that only use this website, but what you can do it, you do it for real men, real style as well. You can do it for denim as well, and then mix and match, club it, and find your right keywords that you need to focus on, or the right niche where you need to start your journey. So this is a very simple keyword techniques. In this channel, if you go to my YouTube channel, I am mostly providing tips and tricks around how the keyword research are done. What is LSI keyword? What is X versus Y keyword technique? Then how to find untrapped keywords. So I have given a lot of tutorials around keywords, and you can go to my channel and find out all the relevant things. You will see 7 ways to find new keywords. So all those bits I have already created it, so I won't be going into much detail on how you can research around keywords, and I would be continuing to create such videos as well. So don't worry, and you can target those keywords. Buyer intent keyword is one of the greatest technique as well if you are going into the affiliate marketing side. So now, as part of our course, we have completed the keyword research. We have identified some of the sample websites. We have identified the high level niche, what are the subparts of it, and I would expect you to define your own niche and then start doing a blog. For the purpose of the tutorial, I would go with one of the basic niche like a trending jeans or something similar, as I have researched around it, and then I will try to create a sample website for you all. Before I create a website, I need to understand what is the content. So as I've chosen a niche of trending jeans, or kind of a jeans of 40 years and 30 years, what they like in. So what I will try to do is I will try to write a blog post first to see how I can write it in a real sense and how the blog post would look like as compared to my competitors. So these are kind of my competitors. Now to write a blog post, it has to have some of the basic nature of human. As Google has been updating its algorithm, it's more of a helpful sort of a content that has to be provided, which means that you should have the real experience around it. Now, if you look into these websites, which is say denim jeans, who, what, went, where, kind of. So it's a simple website, not just for spring, soft, cream, tone, kind of a very basic text, image, text, and these are the kind of content they are writing in. So go with the jeans stuff. Okay, this is what we will be writing. I won't be writing stuff which is 4 lines or 5 lines, as it has much good authority. I would be going with this stuff. Number 1, buying jeans for older guys, waist size. So this is something I would be focusing on, but yeah, it depends on you how you would like to write it. Now, how to write it? I am using one of the AI tools, and yeah, my content is ranking. People do say helpful content has changed the strategy, everything, but it's more around the spammy content. It's more around expired domains that have de-ranked. If you are writing content, you are reviewing it, then it will definitely rank, and there is no one to stop you. If there are tools to check plagiarism, there are tools to make sure the content is optimized correctly. The tool I use is called SEOwriting.ai. This is a paid tool, so I'm paying some amount to it, and you can buy it. Link has been provided in the description. You can use the link in the description, and it will give me some of the affiliate commissions. However, you can start as a free trial version as well. In the free trial, you can start writing the post. If you like it, then you can use the paid version. So what I'll do is I will write the post around jeans older men. Okay, this is my target copied URL, I would say. Buying jeans for older men. I'll just copy it. I'll paste it over here. It will generate a title for me. So guide to buying jeans for older men. It's more around best denim for guys over 40s, 50s and 60s. Okay. Now my language, so it provides a lot of capabilities. So my language will be English US. Tone of the voice, you can put it friendly, professional, informational, transactional. So mine will be informational sort of a post. Point of view, if you are trying to give on yourself. So yeah, the blog post that ranks are, you have to put your personal touch. And if you're an organization, then put a plural. And if you are, say, two people, you can put a second person voice and third person voice. So I will give it as a first person. Target country as of now is United States. And power of AI models, a model of different productivity. So you can see high premium as it will give the highest quality, but it will cost you as well. So it depends what you want to use it. Okay, balanced is normal. You can check the descriptions. Article size is normal with 9 to 12 headings. Readability, which kind of a level you want the article to be. 5th grade can understand, 6th grade easy to read. Conversational English is what it is trending right now. So you will see these tools are improvising on there. Details to include. I go with this article. I would say best jeans for older men. Okay, I can use this as a reference article in the paid version. In the free version, you won't have that capability, and you won't be able to customize some of the things. But yeah, as a beginner, you can use the free one. I'm writing just the keywords so that it understands what I'm trying to ask him to write. And I'm pretty sure this content is written through AI, as the images, these images are normal, but image over here is AI image. You can see the image. This is also an AI generated image. Okay, so the person is using some of the AI content. Okay, I've copied 3, and then AI images, I will say yes. Number of images 3. Image style is, say, whatever you want to select. I would say is photo. I would put an image size. Then SEO wise, it will already generate some of the keywords. But yeah, you have the Excel. You can put in the keywords as per your need. Then the structure, you want to put any questions or annotation in this one. I don't see anything, or you put a story line, maybe like it will give me a personal touch. Conclusion, yes, I want to give in the conclusion table, yes. HTS, list, yes. Italics, yes. Quotes, yes. Key takeaways, no. FAQ, yes. Okay. External linking. Now this tool will create an external link as well. That is on the premium version of the tool, and it can do a deep web search. So it will scrap 100 plus websites. So whatever a content writer does, if you give this topic to a content writer, it will go to the web, it will try to search the content, it will rewrite it. No one is going to innovate it. So jeans, if I have to say that, okay, can you give me a personal experience for a 40-year-old guy? No, You are not 40, you might be 30, you might be 50, you might be 20, but you cannot write an article for 40, 50, 60. So no one in this world can give a personal touch in each and every blog post. What they do is they go research. The tool is doing the same bit. Now I'm using the basic bit, but yeah, you can go with the deep web and citations as well. Source link, yes, I need the source link. And what you can do is you can give the URL reference as well. So in this post, say I want him to rewrite only this content, and it will rewrite this. Okay. So I will give both the variations, but you can add 3 URLs to provide the data. And then otherwise you can go ask this tool itself to do the real-time search and provide the data. So let's do first with the URL reference. If you want to provide an outline, you can provide an outline as well, which is like heading 1, heading 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3.5, kind of a table of content as well. It's a very nice tool. I have been using quite a lot and it is helping me a lot. I'll just run it. So this is the article that has been written by the tool, 2434 word. And if you start reading in, I am an older man who thinks looking good in jeans is important. Finding the right jeans is tough. They should be stylish, comfy, and shows my mature fashion sense. It has given a personal touch to the article. Once I saw a man in his 60s looking at jeans, he seemed sure. So you see, it has given all this narrative around it, created a kind of a good AI image. But yeah, you can change the image as per the requirement. And then it comes with the best jeans for older men. Again, not saying this is the perfect article, but some jeans brand for older are Levi's, Wrangler, and Lee, making great comfy jeans. They offer many styles. Now what you can do is put some links into the blog post, put an image and a link into it. Comfortable and flexible, elegant and versatile, an image for inspiration. It's for older guys. They will see, okay, how we will look in different sort of flavors. That is a good image. Waist size, you can see the original article. It has provided a table, so you can create a table. Everything AI won't do it. You have to do. It's a kind of a 60% job done, kind of a text wise, but yeah, you have to put in some more details around your blog post. So that is the strategy you have to develop. And this is a very well kind of a written article. Now there is another way, another option where in this article is written through that reference one. Now what the bit you need to check is whether this article is flag free or not, right? Because I have given a URL, so you must be thinking, okay, is it a flag free article or not? It has given the source link as well. Now to check plagiarism, you can again go to our website. Over here, we have created all the tools. You just go to SEO tools and you will see plagiarism checker. Over here, just paste the content. Okay, there is a limitation of 5,000 words per search for a day, because otherwise people might spam the whole website, and you can then check for plagiarism. It has started to match. It's a 1-by-1 content match. You can see the AI has written the content in such a way that it is very less. It has very less plagiarism. Let us check this tool is working fine or not. See, it is 100%, only 7% is flag, which is quite okay. And you can check where the data is matching. So some of the words might be matching in somewhere, so it's fine. And I am happy with the content and I'm happy with the output of it. So this is a flag free. This is being written through one of the reference URL. So be aware that it has been written through one of the reference URL. You can edit it here itself. Okay, so there is an edit option. You can edit it over here itself. There is a keyword. You can put in keywords. It will give a SEO score before publishing it. Okay, you can use the AI writing capabilities as well, and you can connect it with the Open API keys. where you can get the content written easily. So it's a very beautiful, I would say, content editor as well. And then once you edit your content using this tool itself, what you can do is you can publish it directly from here. So my website Deepavali SEO Tips is connected. I can publish the content through here directly. It's quite a nice tool. I've been using it for past 5-6 months, and I have been using the paid version only. But yeah, it's up to you how you want to use it. And if you want to go with the content writers outside the market, you can go to any other platforms where content writers are available and they can write the content for you. So as part of this strategy, we have now researched our content. We can write the content. We know what to write. There are some affiliate that you might have to go with, like Amazon or any other affiliates, and AdSense is place you have to go with. I have selected my kind of a sub niche, which is around jeans. So I have to buy a domain name and I have to create my actual website. How you can create the website is very simple. It's a no code solution. You may want to hire a developer if you want to, but yeah, initially you can start your website very easily. And now the next section will be around how you can create your website. If you have already created your website or if you already know it, then it may seem repetition. However, I would say that I would be sharing some of the tips, and there are a lot of goodies that I would be providing in as part of the website creation. So do keep watching the video till the end, as there are a lot more things to come in this video. Now, how to buy what is hosting and what is domain and what is website, everything. So I've already created a video around WordPress website tutorial. So this no code solution is being created through WordPress, and you can see what WordPress is and how you can create a basic website in this course. In this video, I have to create a fashion related website. For that, what I can do is I need a hosting, I need a domain name as a basic. To do that, what I'll do is I'll go to my website. I'll check a page called hosting deals. In the hosting deals, you will see a lot of hosting providers. As a beginner, I would recommend Hostinger. So you can click the get deal link or use the link in the description section, which will give you the best discount. So yeah, this link has the best discount, around 10% of the discount, and that is the industry best discount that you will get in. Please be aware that if you don't use the link, then you may not get the right discount, and if you use the link, you will get the discount as well as I'll get some of the affiliates as well. So please be aware that I'll get some affiliate income as part of the purchase, and it will help me in creating such videos for you all. As part of goodies, means if you buy a hosting through my link, then I will give you some of the free themes and plugins which I will be describing in the video. Once you click on the link, you would see, as per your geography, you will see whatever the price is coming in, and then you can claim the deal, and you will see the most popular is business. I would recommend to go with the business or the cloud startup as of now for a fashion blog, as it will have a lot more of a image based data where you would need speed and some kind of performance that is required. So I would suggest to go with the business plan, which is $3.99 pounds per month as part of UK. In US, if you might be purchasing it, it would be something in dollars. Go and add to cart. Once you add to cart, you can go with all the plans. 1 month is not relevant. If you are looking to just do an experiment, then you can create a free website using Blogger, because it means that in 1 month nothing would happen and you might be wasting 15 pounds. I would recommend to go with the 48 month, as it helps you get 2 months of free hosting, as well as your renewal cost will be less. So you can see it is 8.99 pounds, over here it is 9.99, over here it is 10.99. So if you, as I have instructed before, that if you start earning, then it would be better to go with the 48-month plan. Apart from that, you will get a domain name for first year as free. You can create your account through Google, and for 48 month it is looking like £191. There are payment options over here. It's UK, that's why you are getting this option. If you select, say, US, then you would be getting a different price and a different payment gateways, etc. So it's not reflecting over here, but yeah, you will be getting something. So overall cost was £719 and you are getting it for £191. Now this is not the end of it. It's UK taxes. You have a coupon code which is already provided in the description. You can use it and just apply it. That will give you 10% more of the discount, and you will see your cost and your taxes being reduced, and your cost is £172. So it is very less as compared to any other deals you might see online. So this is the best deal, best discount you can get in the market. Click on the secure payment button, and then the payment gateway will come in, and you can pay the amount as you need to do it. Once you do the payment, you will get 2 emails confirming, as I have already purchased it, so I'm not going to show that screen. But yeah, you will get 2 emails, one for the payment confirmation and one to login. Once you get those emails, click on the login button, and there you will see something similar to this dashboard. Now I have bought a cloud startup hosting, which is much more higher than the business plan, as I have been creating a lot of websites, and I have a lot of traffic as well in few of them. So yeah, this is the right plan for me. But yeah, you can start with the business plan and then upgrade it to cloud as well. Over here you will see a bar to claim your free domain. You can claim your free domain as well as required, and then you can purchase the domain from Hostinger. I would suggest to claim the free domain or buy the domain through Hostinger, as you don't want to change your DNS provider, which is a technical bit, and things will be automatically configured. If you already have any domain names or already have a hosting, then what you can do is go to domains and then get a new domain. Now my niche is around trending jeans. So what I'll do is I'll go to generate domain name using AI, which is a very good feature of Hostinger. What I'll type in is, I need to start a fashion blog with a niche as trending jeans for men. I'm going very specific, and I don't want to go into much of a higher niche. I'm going into very sub niche, and I would be creating contents around what is best for 30s, 40s, 50s kind of thing. So I will be typing those words as the trending jeans for men with an age group of 30, 40, and 50. Okay, let's see what it's suggests. So it is giving me a trendy jeans men 30, 40, 50 jeans blog. See more options. Now what I can say to him is that I do not need a number in my domain name as a filter, as sometimes Google doesn't like number, as it might treat it as a casino kind of a name. See, men's jeans guru, this is something I like it. Denim trend setters, men's denim guide, trendy men's jeans. These are quite good names. So you can purchase any one of the name, and you can just click on buy domain. Once you click on buy domain, it will go with the plan. 1 year will be free for you. From next year, you might have to pay around £5 per year. So this is how, or £12 if you do not go with the bulk deal. So this is how you can buy a domain. Okay. What I am going to do is I will be creating a test domain from ourselves, and once I create it, I'll come back to you all. You can buy the domain using this process, or you can claim a free domain as suggested. And what I'll do is I will create a subdomain and I'll come back once I create it.
Okay, I have created a subdomain, and a subdomain is something which can be created very easily in case you want to test it. And if you don't know how to create a subdomain, then you can just comment to me and I can create a dedicated video on what is subdomain and how you can create it easily. So you can see under websites within hosting H panel, you will see under websites there are domains that you might have purchased it. So if you're first time buyer, then you would have only one free domain. You can purchase any domain name as I have explained earlier. And once you buy that domain, what you can do is to install WordPress as a platform to start your blogging journey. You can just start customizing it very easily. If you don't know what is WordPress and how to start your website, then I have already created a full tutorial around it, and you can check over here in the I button the link to the tutorial. Now, once I've created a subdomain, what you can do is just click on admin panel within WordPress within the Hostinger panel, or otherwise you can log in through a wp-admin URL. So there are multiple ways to log in, but yeah, just watch the WordPress website tutorial and you can understand how to log in. Now, once you click on admin panel, it will directly move into the dashboard. This is a WordPress dashboard, and so this is the view that Hostinger has provided it, and this view can be removed as there will be a plugin. Now, if you don't know what all these means like dashboard, post, media, page, comment, appearance, plugins, users, then again I'll suggest to watch the tutorial around WordPress and you can easily understand what all these settings are. I would give you the high level settings which is required for this fashion blog. So once this dashboard comes in, first make sure go to the settings, go to permalink. Permalink is the permanent links that appears in the blog post. So as you have seen this trending websites we are being checking around, so you will see this jeans trends 2024. This is the link, website URL link that is being created. Now what happens is, like, if you don't select the post name as the permalink, then your link might look like this is my test domain slash 2024 sample hyphen post. So make sure you select it as the post name as your permalink and then save the changes. Few more bits I will talk about. Under general settings, you will see mainly these website name URLs. So site title, this is the site title. You can put in taglines. You can choose a site icon. Now how to choose a site icon is basically the logo of your website. So if you see over here in who what where at the top, so who what where has not created any logo, so they are pure blogging website. But if you check in say real men style, which we have used in to write, so this is what the logo or site icon is, and this is what you can create it using Canva. So to create your site icon, you can use Canva. If you don't know what Canva is, again I would request to comment and I can create a dedicated course around how to use Canva to create a site icons and to create a beautiful thumbnails as well if required. Otherwise, you can also use some AI tools like playgroundai.com, which is freely available, and you can create your site icons. So see, I have typed in playground.com, and now you can see I can just put a prompt around it. So let us say, if you want, if I have, my website name is men's trendy jeans. So what I can do is I can go to playground. I'll say, so what I did is I just typed men trendy jeans, and it has given me lot of images of men having a trendy jeans. So these can be used in your blog post anyways. Now to create a logo, you would have to give a prompt around it, and you can say logo for website with a subject as trending jeans for men. So let us see what it gives. So a lot of images are already being created. Now what it has done is that it has provided some of the images. What you can do is you can just take in and customize it using some editor tools like Canva or any other tool, and just use them as your image. So say if I have to normally create an image without a men, so you just remove the men in from the end, because it has treating men as one of the prompt, which is why all the images are coming of a men. Now it would change and see a different version of logos are here. So these are quite nice. You can just click, right click, copy image, and then what you can do is save it locally and just upload it to your website. So you can choose as a site icon and then put it as the image. So let me do it for one of the image. So one thing is there, you need to make sure your image is 512 into 512 pixels. So I'm using Paint to create that image. So I've just copied the image into Paint. So let me share my screen. So this is the image that I have copied in. I would click on resize. You can select pixels, and then it is 1024. So you can just type in 512. Okay. You need to just copy it, resize, pixel 512. Okay. And then save it locally as PNG file. Name is trendy jeans logo. Just click on choose icon, select file, and see, this is how the logo will look like. It is saying to crop. If you want to crop it, it can then change it. So this is the site logo that is being created now. What you can do is just save the changes, and your website logo is being created now. See in the top, your logo is coming in already. So this is how simple it is, and this AI tool is quite friendly and quite easy to use, and these images are freely available. So you just have to search. It will give all the images around those texts, so you don't have to put a prompt as well now. So Playground are providing all the images free of cost. Once you do the general setting in the writing, you don't have to change anything, as it is a blog. Reading wise, just make sure that you check in exert. Full text means that the blog post categories will show everything, so we don't want to show those things. Under discussions, these are the comment section. You can read it out. It is very easy to customize or change it. Just check boxes. If you want people to comment on your blog post, then keep it as it is. If you do not want, or you want to close the comments automatically after certain days, then you can use these customized options as well. Media is where the images are being stored, so it's the default settings, and you know not to change this. Permalinks we have already changed it. Privacy is a page which we will create it later. Now this is the basic settings that you have to do it. Then we will go to the plugins, and plugins are the kind of add-ons that is within the WordPress. So that is the beauty of WordPress. You can customize your website easily by using plugins. So if you want to create, say, pop-up, if you want to put a layout, if you want to put a payment gateway, if you want to create a shop, there are a lot of plugins available in the market. But this course is mainly around fashion blog, where basically we are only focusing on blogging journey. So we will install what is required from a blogging perspective only. Before installing any plugins, let's see our website how it looks like. So it is looking very raw. This is a default theme. So these are the themes that WordPress provides in. But yeah, this is a very basic theme. So what we will do is we will install a good theme called Astra. So how to install the theme? Just go to dashboard, appearance, themes, add new. You will see a search button, or you will see Astra mostly in page 1 itself. If you don't see it, just search for Astra in the search theme, like Astra, search it, and then it would come in. Press the install button. This will install the theme. So why I am suggesting Astra? Astra is very lightweight. It is very simple to customize it, as well as it is quite friendly with other plugins. And we have a pro version as well, which I will provide you free of cost if you are buying a hosting from our hostinger link present in the description, and you can use it for unlimited number of websites as well. So you just need to make sure you click on activate. Now Astra is installed and it is giving you some AI templates as well. So starter templates are provided, but we will install the Astra Pro version, which will have a better templates as well, which we will easily use it in our website, and we do not have to worry about the structure or the layout of the blog, how to create it. So first we will see how our website currently looks like. So let us see. So it is just a post page. So this is a hello world post that WordPress by default gives in. What you need to do is go to plugins, add new. So in the add new, it is giving a lot of pop-up. So if you want to start it with the starter template, you can do it. Otherwise, just cancel it and just click on upload, choose file. So there will be a link we will provide you where there will be a drive where all the Astra Pro premium plugin files will be there. You just have to download those files and then upload it over here. So just select the file and then open it. It will be chosen. Click on install now, and then you can activate the plugin. Now there is a license as well for this file, but you do not need any license, as it is only to give an update to the existing versions. What we are doing is we are already providing the latest version in the drive, so you will have the latest files for the Astra Pro plugin. So what I'll do is I will now jump onto the Astra dashboard. Now within Astra dashboard, you will see lot of options, lot of their plugins, which if you need, you can install it. Starter template, that is what they have been suggesting, which is a ready to import template. So we will install the starter templates. You can install it from here, or you can again go to plugins, search, activate. So it's activated from here itself. Just make sure in this Astra Pro module, activate all. You need to make sure you need to activate everything. Okay, so starter template has started to build a website, but as of now we will exit to dashboard. We will come back onto this later. So we will again go to Astra dashboard. Then first of all we will activate everything. Just click on activate everything, activate all. It will activate all the essential things that is required. So please be aware that in free version you won't be able to activate. It's the pro version that provides that capability. Now go to custom layout. Now in the custom layout of Astra Pro, you can create your layouts like a header, footer, hook. So if you see the website we want to create is basically real men, real style. So this is the foot header, and then there will be a footer of the website, which is kind of a box. So those all things you can create it easily. What we will be doing is we will be using a layout which will automatically do everything for us. So let's go to plugin, installed plugins, and then get started, starter templates, get started, and see it is giving a AI website builder. So you can put a AI based building as well, AI based prompts as well, which will create the website. Otherwise we will build with the existing template. So we'll go with the classic route. Over here you can search fashion. Over here you can search, so over here you just search fashion. Now this is for a personal branding, these fashion templates. This is a fashion lifestyle blog, so this is what we are more or less looking for. Okay, then this is a free. So premium means that again within a pro version as well there will be premium templates which will be paid. You can go with the free one, that is better. You don't need to pay anything at this stage, and you can create all this using other plugins as well, so that's not required. So for me, again, we are creating a lifestyle blog kind of a men's, so this is what I think will be good for us. So just select it. Now it is the fashion by KARA, so it's your choice. You want to continue with that or you want to change the logo. So we already have a logo, we will just select it. Over here the logo will come in, so it is looking more of a male kind of a logo which looks good. And then you can color palette you can choose in. There are other styles as well, so this is what I would suggest, and you can continue. You can put in your details, whatever you want to put in, so that it will automatically create few of the details. I'll put in some dummy details. I am a beginner, I am building website for myself. Submit and build my website. Now this is installing all the required plugins, everything it is trying to do on its own, and it is much more easier than customizing or creating everything from scratch, as our main focus will be on a blog rather than creating a website and understanding all the technical details. If you need any help, any customizations for your website, then you can contact me and I can provide the required help. So it is quite quick, and it will take hardly a minute to build your website. See, some flowers coming in, some happiness being shown, and it is saying in 43 seconds it took them to create the website. Let's see what they have created. Now these images you can change it, so don't worry. It's something being copied from whatever template they were having. So this is one of the template that is being used. Now this background image is there, everything is created. Contact me, some blog post has been created as well, and then all the categories are being created, area of expertise, and kind of you can put in some of the company's logos, everything, where you might say that okay, from jeans perspective, Levi's or Wrangler or any other brands you can put in where you are providing a review. Testimonial is there and other bits are there, so it's a kind of this template is for a woman, but yeah, you can just change the images to a men and then start your journey. So how we can do it, let's start. So go to edit page. Now edit page you will see, let's create your. So what we will do is we will use this as our base website and we will try to copy it from here. So over here see men image is there, so it's a similar, see AI based images are being added, all of these are AI images. Okay, and then more articles. So instead of a female version, it is a quite a male version where everything is being added. So what you can do is you can just create your own. Instead of this you can write men's trendy jeans, and then in the read more it's a button. So this button you can customize it. What you can do is over here you will see options where you can change the link. So this is the link. If you want to go to read more kind of a base website what men's trendy jeans are, like the blog post we have created, then over here you can put in that button, or you can just remove it as well. So I don't think so it is required as of now, so I'll just remove it. if you are creating a YouTube channel, any videos around it, you can put your video. Otherwise you can just select here and remove it. The background image that is being created, so you can over here just remove it, and everything can be easily changed. Press Ctrl Z, it will undo the changes. Now if you have to replace this image, what you need to do is go to this select this container. So this is a container. Okay, over here you will see the container. This is basically Astra page builder, where you can change the images as well. So over here you have selected the image, then you have to change it. I don't know how to change it. Good. Okay, then you go to style, and over here you will see change image. I have saved some of the images, and you can save using a Playground AI tool as well, and then use it on your own. So I will use some of the images that I have saved in. So just click on change image. So select this box, and then you will see image in here, and then you can click upload, and then I have selected this image as the header image. So this will come as a header. Now you can adjust the image size over here itself directly, and it will come in like this. And you can use the title just behind above it, or you see this is the title, and then you can copy it, delete this box. You can just use this box inside this container as well. So within this container, you just click on the container and then add text. You can replace the image, and then you can then make the changes easily. So our box was here. You can change the background of the box, giving it a bit of a color. Give a color saying, say, yeah, this looks good, men's trendy jeans. And then over here we can put in a separate color, so maybe red. Okay, let's create your men's trendy jeans. This will come in. Now the great style for everyone. I love to help people feel great about how they look. Over here this image can be changed as well, so you just click on replace, click on upload, wherever you have saved the image. I will post maybe say this image, and this will be replaced. So discover your personal. You can change the color of it. It's a bit of a girlish, so you can make it bluish. Change the shade. It's done. You can change the text. You can use ChatGPT to create the text. And then services for all age women. So we are creating for say 30-40. So you can change it for services for all men, age men. Okay, I love to help people feel great. Over here again images, you can put some images, or you can use AI build images. Otherwise use custom images as you need. Insert. Over here as well I'll put another image, maybe upload, and say again this one I'll use it. Okay, so these are the image carousel I have created. Wardrobe styling, you can create post around wardrobe, closet cleaning, shopping tours. So whatever men's features and topics you might see in, you can change it easily over here. And testimonial is something, if you want to put in, you can put in, or it's something feedbacks, or customers who are saying like yeah, this website is great, sort of a thing. Those things you can easily add it. So it's already added over here. You can just customize the text, put some logos of the organizations. And then this is a kind of categories like the style. So you might have a style category, then trending fashion, people and places, before after. So I'll go to the dashboard and I'll see what all changes we need to make again. Okay, so I'll just click on update. I'll go back to the dashboard. Now this is the dashboard. This is how it is looking like. Just visit the site in a new link and see how good it is looking initially itself. We haven't changed much. We have only changed the images. We have only changed some of the details around it, and it's still looking very good. Okay, so you don't have to worry much about the customizations. You can do it very easily. What the main purpose of this video is around having a blogging website started. Now you will see under pages there are certain pages being created already, and we need to create some more blog posts. So as you remember, we have created a blog post around jeans. So I'll show you the post that we had created. So this was the post we have created in already using the SEO writing tools. So I have already provided details around how to write this post. You can either directly connect this plugin to your website and publish it from here, or you can copy it manually as well. These images will already be copied directly as well to the website once you connect it with your WordPress. So what I'll do is I will quickly show you how to connect your website. So you have to click on publish button. You won't see your website here. So what you need to do is you need to go to integrations and then connect a new site. How to connect it? Install the SEO writing plugins. Okay, you need to go to plugins in the admin area. You will have to add new, search the plugin, and then it will be installed. So same process, we just have to follow the instructions they have given. So go to plugin, add new, SEO writing AI. So what we need to search is SEO writing only. Search SEO writing, you will see 10,000 installations already. So this tool is quite popular and it is writing human friendly content. So you don't have to worry about the quality of the content, and you have to put some updates in your content anyways. Click on activate. Plugin is activated. Now we will go to the plugin section because we would have to connect with your existing tool so that it knows who you are. So go to settings, connect, and it's already done. So I've used the same Gmail account which is being used and it has already connected. Now I'll go to builder, I'll go to the blog post, I'll click on publish. It will show me the list of my websites. So I will use the demo website. I will select the category, I will put it as a draft, add a featured image, just click on publish. Now let's see what happens. Okay, so it says it has published the post. I'll go back. So I'll go back to the dashboard. I will go to the post. So these are the test post. Hello world, I don't need it. I will delete it. Quick eye makeup. These are the posts that is being created by the template we have installed. So you just have to delete these posts. We have deleted all this post, and this is the one we had imported from SEO writing AI tool. It would give you this block has encountered an error and cannot be previewed because it is using a different format. So it is using a classic editor, so this error might come in. So convert to block is what you have to do in really. Okay, and you will see the post is copied as you wanted to. Make sure in the post you have the URL correctly set up. So guide to buying jeans for older men. There is a bit of a technique on what URL should look like. So there are stop words. So you should not use to in your URL. You should not use for. Okay. Rest remains looks good. It is done. Featured image is what image should be. So it is being created automatically. You can replace it or change it as you required. And then you can simply click on publish. So once you have check the post content, once you are happy with everything, you just click on publish. the post will be published. So yeah, it's as simple as it could be. And this is the beauty of these AI tools and AI trending things, that we are able to now create content easily, publish it easily as well. So now we will go to our site again, we will visit it, we will see our post should come somewhere. Okay, our post is not being displayed over here. So why it could be, you just go to edit, and our category might not be the one which is being displayed over there in the page. What we have to do is we have to go to the visit site again, edit page, and then we need to display the blogs over here. So what we can do is we have to check what this box is all about. So it is just a post box. So it's not displaying all the posts that are coming as a blog. So what you can do is either you can just remove whole of the block and put it as put a new block saying what you need to display it over here. So I'll just delete this whole box, and then I will add a new box over here. So just click on here, just click plus over here, type in blog recent, type in post. You will see post carousel, post grid, latest post. So just search say latest post. So what you need to do is you need to select this box, above box. So this is a bit of an editor kind of a tool. Just press enter, you will get a new block. In the block you just you will see a plus sign somewhere. Yeah, over here the plus sign is coming in, bit of a manual effort. So you will see a plus sign, click on plus, search post, post list, post carousel, post timeline, post grid, whatever you want to put in, you put in and just see how it looks like. So this is how it is looking like, and all the post will come over here immediately. So how many, whatever number of posts you publish it, these will come over here. You can customize it based on categories, tags, you can style them, you can change the settings. So like if you want to show by date, title, if you want to show date, if you don't want to show date, if you want to make it height, column, see it can be changed very easily. Okay, so it is as simple as it could be. And then yeah, just update the page. So this is your front page that is being designed. It's already done. Mainly our purpose is SEO. So what we will do is we will go back to our dashboard and we will check our post from a SEO perspective first. Now how to check the post from a SEO perspective? For that you need to install another plugin. Go to plugin, add new plugin, and install a plugin called Rank Math. Once you install Rank Math, you can activate it. There is another plugin called Yoast SEO. So you can either install Rank Math or Yoast SEO. Both are quite good. We are currently using Rank Math. Earlier we used to use Yoast SEO. The reason why we are using Rank Math is because it is providing a better features in terms of instant indexing, in terms of bit of AI capabilities that we have used. So yeah, it looks pretty good, and it is something I like it. So that is why I'm using Rank Math. You can use any one of the plugin. And if you need a full tutorial again on Rank Math, just comment and I will provide a video around Rank Math settings. And if you have not liked the video till here and are still watching, then do press the like button, as it helps me in creating such wonderful content. Okay, so this plugin is installed. I'm not doing any settings in this video, but yeah, if you need any dedicated video, you can put in. However, it is pretty much straightforward. You just have to install it and all the default settings would be done. Go to the edit. Again, in the post edit, now you will see some rank math bits in the post. So once we have done the rank math settings, you will see SEO details as a tab being added. And what you can do is you can go to edit and then select the keywords. Now all those details I will provide you in a separate video, as this video is going to be very lengthy if I have to teach everything. But yeah, it's very simple. You can just check the keywords. Now keywords are main things, and I've created a lot of videos in my channel. You can watch all the SEO related videos where you can understand what keyword is and how you can improve your search ranking. As such, what we have already done is we have used the SEO writing tool, where already there is a parameter for SEO, where if you go to the post editor and go to edit, then there is a option of overall score which it provides from a keyword perspective. So you can see what are the keywords. So this tool itself is a kind of a SEO tool, and I'm more around buying jeans for older men is what my keyword would be, and it is saying it is coming in, see, quite a number of times, and it is being added around first paragraph, second paragraph. So this is how you have to make sure your on page SEO is good. If you don't know what is on page SEO, again, comment whatever you need, comment. I'll start creating all those videos for you all. So this is how you can create the post. Now there are certain pages that you have to create it. So in over here you will see contact page being created, home being created, privacy being created. However, there will be certain other mandatory pages you need to create it. What you need to do is go to our website, go to tools. You will see article writing tools over here, which is for article plagiarism checking. And then these are the mandatory AdSense pages generate tool: about us, contact us, privacy policy, terms and conditions, disclaimer. These are simple tools. Go to terms and conditions, put your website name, website email. It will generate the HTML code. So say I have to create the terms and conditions. It's men's. So my website is men's trendy jeans. Then email you can put in. I'm putting in some temporary email. Click on generate. This code will be generated. Copy the code. Go to the pages. Click on add new page. Write terms and conditions. Press on the plus button. Over here you type in HTML, custom HTML. Over here paste it, preview it. It's all being created. You can check the page being created. Just publish it and it's all done. So this is how simple it is, and you can just created all the other pages that I have mentioned in this website. So you have to go to this website. You have to check over here free mandatory pages. You create all 5 pages the way I have created it for the terms and conditions. Okay, and just click on publish. Now once you create all the mandatory pages, another important plugin is caching. So you will see there is no caching. So speed is one of the ranking factors nowadays. So you need to ensure there is a caching plugin. Lightspeed Cache is a free plugin which I would recommend to use it initially, and if you need a paid version, then a WP Rocket is there. However, as a beginner you can use Lightspeed Cache. Just again click on add new plugins, search Lightspeed Cache. Now what is caching? Caching is like people who are visiting your blog don't have to go to the website server, and it provides a cached copy of your web page. So if it is not very dynamic pages, then it increases your website speed and you don't need a heavy hosting, and normal hosting will work for you. So caching plugin are in everywhere in the world, and you have to install it if you want to be a successful blogger. So just activate it. It will do automatically. The basic settings will be there. Advanced setting is around object cache and other bits, which I don't think so is required at this part of the video. And it's very much simple. And if you feel any problems, then comment. But yeah, this is one of the plugins that you need to have. Now, once you have installed all these plugins, how will you see the data around your website? Like how many people has come in, where they are visiting in, what they are doing in. With all this data, you won't be able to know what the user are trying to do, how many people visited your site, etc. For that, you have a Google Analytics tool, for which you can install a plugin called SiteKit. So just search SiteKit. You will see SiteKit by Google. Install it. Again, everything will be done for you in a few clicks of a button. So just click on activate. Once it is activated, go to install plugins and you will see SiteKit by Google already there. So sometimes you don't see plugin setting within here, and you will see over in the left hand side panel. So go to dashboard and it will say, do you want to connect it? It will automatically ask you connect, help. Okay, give the help, sign in with Google. You have to just sign in with Google. You put your Gmail wherever you want to sign in, and then just continue. So you need a Gmail account to connect it with the SiteKit. Okay, so SiteKit already has some access because my other websites are connected. So yeah, it will automatically do everything. It will verify Google ownership. Google will verify basically site ownership, and it will create the Google Webmaster. Google Webmaster is one of the important tools to be understood. Again, if you don't know what Google Webmaster is, I have already created videos around it and you can check in my channel. Set up Search Console. This is what Google Webmaster or Search Console is. Then Google Analytics, all done. You have to just click few buttons. Earlier there used to be a file where I have to upload it and all those things that you need to do it. However, nowadays it's very simple. You just click buttons, check whatever you want to set it up. Set up as a new property, complete the setup, and you will see again it will continue. It will connect with my Google Analytics account. All done. My Google Analytics is now connected. It will give me the traffic, content, speed, and monetization is Google AdSense. So which is what the main part would be for you. So now I have created a blog post, I have created a website, I have installed all the required plugins. This is the initial setup that everyone has to do if you want to create a blog. Once this setup is done, so from a plugin perspective, you may need a contact form plugin as well if you want to create email marketing or that sort of ecosystem. So that is something you can do. You can use WP forms basically to create some forms, but initially from a blogging perspective you won't need that much of a email forms sort of a plugin, so you can as of now ignore it. From a plugin perspective, if I try to see Astra Pro Hostinger, you don't need it, just deactivate it and delete it. Caching we have, SEO we have. SEO writing is for your content writing. Google SiteKit is for content, speed, and your day-to-day data analysis. Spectra is a page builder. You can also use Elementor, and then starter template is just to install the initial website. Okay, that is the main plugins that you might need for any beginners as a blogging, as a fashion blog. Okay, now what you need to mainly focus around is your content. Go to all post. Now how you can earn money, so that is the main part. So to earn money, there are mainly there are a lot of ways to earn money. You can either create your shop or use for blogging. You can use it for get earnings from AdSense. So if you see the sample website we are being looking into it. So it's kind of a AI based website. Okay, and this is all AI based website. This content, I'm pretty sure it is, this guy is using a tool. Okay, it's not a humanly kind of a website. It's all AI, and it is ranking. So people who might be thinking like, oh, websites in AI are not ranking, this is a proof that it is ranking. It has a traffic of around 1.7 million. Okay, so and the traffic is coming from US, Canada. So it's never the case that Google can judge how the content is written. So yeah, we'll discuss this later, but yeah, from a website perspective, these are the ads from which they might be earning in. And then the second way is through affiliate marketing. So what can be done from an affiliate marketing perspective is there will be some links you can provide it to buy. So say if I have to purchase these jeans, from where can I purchase it? So it might be available in Amazon or in any other e-store. Now these stores and Amazon provide a affiliate commission. So if you click on the link, you will get say 5%, 4% of the sale value. So if the jeans is for say $50, you will get say $2.5 for per sale. So this is the way people do earn money online. If you don't know how to create your Amazon affiliate account, again comment, I will create a tutorial around it. And if you are not aware how AdSense work, how the income works, then again I can share my income proofs which will help you in understanding that yes, there is definitely an income from both affiliate and AdSense perspective. Once your blog grows, you start creating your email marketing, you start creating your brand, and then the main focus would be around drop shipping kind of a business as well you can establish. So once your blog is ranking, you can start a shop which will be kind of a drop shipping. What drop shipping is on a high level, you are a kind of a mediator. You buy stuff from a third company and you get a seller. You don't intervene, the buyer and the seller interacts. From a delivery perspective, you just show the product to them. So say if I am having to the customer directly, that is on a high level drop shipping is. So there are a number of ways to earn money, but yeah, first of all, what you need to focus is around your content. You need to start building your content. You need to start thinking around what all content strategies you need to do. My initial part of the video is the key, where you need to understand how others are working on, and then you can create your own website. So start a fashion blog, start commenting on this channel, start discussing within the comment sections, and then I'll try to help you out in case you face any problems. I hope this course will be useful and it will be helpful in starting a blogging journey within the fashion industry, as no one is talking around this, and this is a key to start your blogging journey, and it is kind of a niche where people are not really very interested or really focusing on the content. So once you start generating the content, you will see the traffic coming in. I hope you like the video till here, and if you do like the video, then please subscribe to my channel and do comment and do like the video and share it with your friends and family who would like to start blogging as their career. Thank you very much. Bye.